besties, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another hair video. So yes, your girl is going to be doing yes. Ooh, it smells good too. Okay, so as y'all can see, I already like blow dried my hair yesterday, and I don't know, it looks longer. I told y'all I was gonna give y'all an update of the length of, you know, because I've been using the Bask and Lather. So I'm gonna try to do a little straighten today. I think I need to run that blow dry through it again real quick on this side. Just on this side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna run it through it real quick. I'll be back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Damo B, and you know I had to come on here to tell y'all about this jewelry that I have on right now. So as you can see, I have on this chain right here, the thicker chain. It is from Freya's. It's also an adjustable chain, and I have on some earrings and a bracelet from them. These are both adjustable, and that's what I pretty much love about them, because my wrist is like super small, so I always have to like get like kid jewelry. These earrings, I do not like hoop earrings, but these look so amazing on me. Like, look at them, like they're so cute. So I'm coming to y'all to let y'all know, if y'all use my code that's in the bio below, y'all get 25% off.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Yes, I said 25% off, boo. You can't beat that. This is 18 karat gold plated over stainless steel, and I know my jewelry. I used to work in a jewelry store, so this is not like your regular gold plated, baby. This lasts longer, so there's no painting over it, none of that. This is a nice fine jewelry. I have it on with my other necklace. I love having like all my necklaces on, and this is just like a, you know, I'm just coming from work, just a look, and it's just really cute. You can't beat it. They have rings, they have anklets, they have name, they have zodiac signs, they have all kind of jewelry. So make sure you go and check them out and use my code. Okay, boo? Later. Okay, I'm back, and I feel like it's more straightened. I don't know what y'all think. It's a little more straightened. Anyways, we're about to get right into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb first. Oh Jesus, this is the hot comb I'm using. If you didn't see it in my last video, it was the Andis hot comb. It only goes into a 20, so you're just gonna be using this in my hair. Just wanted to just put it in there really quick. Just gonna get the roots with this, and then I'm gonna use my Nano 3. Hold on. I'm just gonna be using this because the words has disappeared. I forgot what it was called. I think it's Bliss Prima 3000. Like, I think that's what it's called. But I'm gonna be using this, my titanium plates, to get this hair looking straight. Okay, so hot comb, then this, and then my smaller flat iron. So let's get to it. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, what I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, what I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you space fit. I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Okay guys, as y'all can see, I am done with flat ironing my hair. What now I'm gonna do, I'm just touching up my edges with my smaller flat iron. Y'all, I need to dye my hair back black. This brown stuff is not cutting it. Is my camera dirty? Okay, it's better. Yeah, my hair is freaking dark brown. That's not good. Anyways, this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I think my hair has grown a lot. Like a lot. Look at this. And I can put it in a ponytail. Okay. But I think it's grown from that time. I think this is how it is straight. I gotta look at it before picture. But I think I'm gonna wand my hair because I'm going out with my friend today, and we are going to this new spot in Atlanta. It's called Southern Fire Kitchen, I think. And then we're gonna go out and have some drinks afterwards. And I can't wait because your girl haven't been out in a minute. Okay, so I'm trying to turn up. Not really, because I wouldn't say I'm a mom, but I'm a night out. Nah, I don't like to be out at night, okay? Especially not in Atlanta. Look at that brown. Look at that brown. This is not acceptable. That brown, this ain't acceptable. I need my black in my hair, okay? Yeah. Anyways, so that's it. That's it for this video. I've never straightened my hair and it look like this. So silky. That comb method really be working. I see the trick now. Now stylists can't get me no more. I see the trick. It's all with the comb method. It's all about the comb. Anyways, so that's it. That's that for this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And I will be vlogging tonight. So this is.
Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. You could have been